So welcome again to another lesson. Today we're going to look into covalent bond, and we'll do some even practical examples where possible. So this is a topic in Form 2, and we refer to it as structure and bonding. So my name is Locho, and let's jump directly into our today lesson. So this is in our previous lesson we were learning about ionic bond and their compounds, but today we want to deal with covalent bond. So it mostly occurs between non-metals atoms, and they complete the outermost energy level by just sharing of electrons, right? For instance, in hydrogen molecule, it has only one electron in the outermost energy level, and so since they are of the same element, none will readily lose an electron to another. Okay, therefore they end up sharing the electrons. So as you look at this particular drawing or diagram, you see that hydrogen has one electron and also hydrogen has one electron. For it to be complete, because it is the first energy level, then they have to share the electrons to complete that particular energy level. So we can use by representing using dots and crosses, or you can decide to represent it this way, or you can do it using this particular dash where it represents a single bond. I'll be showing you more, because when you do double, it indicates a double bond. When you draw three, it's a triple bond. So another point you need to note is that the attraction between shared pair of electrons and their nuclei constitutes a covalent bond. So that sharing of electrons between the nuclei of one atom and the other is what actually constitutes a covalent bond. So definition for molecule is just a substance constituting molecules, and is also referred to as molecular substances. So examples of molecular substances we have includes water, most gases. We have sugar, oil, fats, and also sulfur. So I was telling you earlier that when you see this one bar represented here, it's just representing a covalent bond. And we have when it's 1, it indicates a single covalent bond. When it's 2, it's a double bond. And when there are 3, it indicates that they are triple bond. I will reference you to this page. There are more details you can still get on that particular page. Now, still in covalent bond, we have another bond we call coordinate bond or dative bond. And when we consider a reaction between ammonium and a hydrogen ion, we form ammonium. So a good example is here. So we have ammonia, and then we add a hydrogen atom, then we end up with ammonium ion, right? So if we are defining for that particular type of a bond, it's just a type of a covalent bond in the shared in which the shared pair of electrons forming the bond is contributed by only one of the atom forming the bond. Okay, so in this particular case, one actually atom is the one that gives out that particular electron. So, and the substance which have covalent bond forms either a molecular or giant covalent or atomic structure. So I want to try to show you something here so that you will be able to understand what I'm saying. So when you look here, mostly some of the time they might bring for you such kind of a structure where an arrow is going up. This kind of an arrow indicates that this is a dative bond, while this one and this one and this one indicates that they are covalent bond. So here it means that ammonium contributed 2 electrons. So whatever hydrogen has come to do is just place itself there. But this is a dative bond.